My fucking edges are all fucked up, so don't even look at them.
Little mama, don't you know? Your ex should've never let you go. Oh, you my flavor. She get drinking straight.
So this is what you will need to be successful in this fucking tutorial. I didn't include my medium lashes in here because they're all fucked up, but I do use them as well as the long ones, and my duo glue, and that right there is my eyelash tweezers. I use those for my strips, and I always use those for my individuals, so that's why they have glue on them. Now let's start this tutorial. Take your duo and you put that shit to, put that shit on the top. Put that shit on the top. Baby girl, we started from the bottom. Now we on top of the globe. Can you see the world? You ain't gotta love me 'cause we got the sauce to cure the world. I don't know who they are, I am clueless. I don't know who the fuck I am choosing. You switch sides and then I keep it moving. I'm the greatest, I know they be choosing.
Just repeat the shit, just like repeat the fucking process. You know?
More Henny, I love it. 2020 is savage money. 2020, that's gang, that's fame. 2020, don't trust you in hell. 2020, that do not that regular. 2020, you gotta be savage. 2020, you gotta be savage. 2020, you gotta be bad. 2020, gon' feed you some drugs. You come up and you go and straight back to hell. So fucking hard trying to like demonstrate this at the position I'm in, so I'm like not even looking in the fucking mirror. I'm actually doing this in the fucking camera. Oh my god, please. Ah! No. Okay. That one's actually just fucked up. Come off, bitch.
Okay, so like sometimes when I put them on, they just don't go the, there's a fucking eyelash stuck to me. They just don't go the way that I want them to. I want to try, the actual individuals because these are a little bit, these are actually a lot of bit different. Like the outcome of them, you know, is different. So I want to, get the actual, like, single individual eyelashes. So I could try extensions, if you get what I'm saying.
Abductions, I cannot and won't conform. I'll do it all on my own. I keep it G all the time. Always left wondering why.
So yeah. What the fuck? So I wish I could position my camera in front of my mirror, but I can't because my mirror's on my wall and I don't have another mirror. I can't even get the fucking word out. Yeah, so not all of them are always gonna fucking work. I just want to make that clear.
Just make sure you don't get that shit in your eye either. This is at the point where I stop. I stop putting them like, let me see if you can see. This is where I put medium lashes, okay? So this is kind of what these bitches look like. You feel me? I don't know if you can just like, but this is like the one without eyelashes. This is the one with eyelashes. I'm gonna go finish the other eye and then you guys can see the finished product and maybe I can explain it better in a fucking voiceover. So sayonara, bitch. I get my own and all of my shit. Stupid woes, all of my ish. I look at my pictures, it looks so sweet. You wanna try something for me, but don't at me when you know full well you know my ass.